Poco M3 Pro 5G smartphone appeared on high-quality press renders. As we already reported on May 19, Xiaomi has scheduled the presentation of the mid-range Poco M3 Pro 5G smartphone. The model will be available in the international market. Now, online sources have published high-quality press images that fully reveal the design of this device. The device is shown in the renders in three colors: dark gray, yellow, and turquoise. A triple camera can be seen on the back of the body, rumored to combine a 48-megapixel sensor and two 2-megapixel sensors, most probably for the ultra-wide and the macro lens. For the front camera, there is a small hole in the center in the upper display area. The resolution of the selfie module will be 8 megapixel. Poco confirms the M3 Pro 5G will include a MediaTek Dimensity 700 processor with a built-in 5G modem and a 90Hz refresh rate display. The size of the latter, according to available data, will be 6.5 inches diagonally. The resolution is Full HD Plus with 2400 by 1080 pixels. The equipment of the smartphone will also include a 6GB or 8GB of RAM, a flash drive with a capacity of at least 128GB, and with a battery of 5000 mAh capacity that supports 22.5 watts fast charging. So what do you think, guys, of this new Poco M3 Pro 5G? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. And if you like somehow what you see here, subscribe to the channel will definitely awesome. And as always, I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.